In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your vehicle on the Uber driver. Whether you've just bought a new car or want to remove an old one from your Uber account, this quick and easy guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser instead of the Uber driver app. This process works much better through a browser. In the search bar, type "Remove Vehicle Uber" and hit enter. From the results, click on the second article titled, "How do I remove a vehicle from Uber?" Now scroll down the page until you find a link that leads to go.supplier.uber.com. That's Uber's official vehicle management page. Click that link. If you're already logged into your Uber driver account, it'll take you directly to your vehicle dashboard. If not, just tap the menu icon, the 3 lines or dots in the corner, and log in using your driver account details. Once you're logged in, select Vehicles from the side or top menu. You'll now see a list of all the cars currently registered under your account. To change your vehicle, start by removing the old one. Tap the vehicle you want to remove, scroll all the way down, and select Remove Vehicle. When the confirmation prompt appears, hit Remove to finalize it. After that, go back to the Vehicles section and look for an option to Add a Vehicle. Here, you can enter your new vehicle's details, things like the make, model, license plate number, and registration documents. Upload any required photos or papers if Uber asks for verification, then submit your request. Once approved, your new vehicle will appear in your Uber driver app, ready for use. So make sure everything's updated properly, open the Uber driver app afterward and go to your vehicle settings. Your newly added car should now be listed there. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time. It usually takes a few minutes for Uber's system to sync. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove your old car and add a new vehicle on your Uber driver account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Uber driver tutorials.